it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
Not the type of
I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
Can you send me your car again? Did your car on even Bluetooth?
Bluetooth.
The beast. The beast is out there by himself.
You left me.
Make your mask again. I'm asking. Go on, man. We have to be there by 5 minutes to you. Have 2 minutes to go and come back. I'm waiting right here. Don't bother drop on. Mash up yourself. Hi everybody. I'm Bethany and this is Embracing Life. Welcome. Today we got up this morning. Well, I woke up at 4 a.m. as usual. And I'm making him sleep because I made sure that the blinds were closed and everything was turned off so that he could sleep because all him do at work. So we went to breakfast and went back to the room, and we have a glass bottom boat tour that we're going on now. It looks overcast. I don't know if I can sell it. It looks overcast, so he left his mask and he had to run back up to the room for it. And here he is. What? Something wrong with them?
I something wrong with them.
Like you get
about to them back in our chest. They're planting with the tiny fish. So the fish babies. Yeah. The spikes?
Yes.
Yeah.
I saw one and I was wondering what it was, the white one.
The black one has the taller spikes.
Yeah, what's the...
Whenever you're snorkeling or diving, you just stay away from them. Especially the black ones. Because if you touch them, they will touch you back. When they touch you back, they leave something in your skin. Yeah. You can just beg your spouse or your husband, your wife, your friend to pee on it for you.
What?
Yeah, so imagine you're on the beach and you're begging a friend to give you a favor, just pee on it, please. On the limestone with his tough teeth. So when he poops out sand. All the sand you see. On the ocean, you see people wallowing in the sun. Yes, man. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Wow.
So much sun.
Alright, so much poop. My brother Driftway. Yes. I'm not waste my bread. Oh, there we go. They do jump out of the water. Let me look at them. They jump a while ago. Yeah. Yeah. Right. If you made it this far, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and you'll see me tomorrow. Bye!